Here I have my KUBO coding set. I have my box with the KUBO body and head and all of the standard tiles that come with it. It's the KUBO starter set. And we have a box of the coding math tiles that come separately. So if you want to use the math tiles, what you do is take out 3 number tiles and 2 operators. Operators include things like addition, subtraction, division, and multiplication. And there's also an equals sign. So you're going to take 1 number tile, a plus sign, another number tile, an equals sign, and the sum. So we're doing addition, so we're going to put the sum in there. Now what KUBO does is KUBO tells us if we're correct, if our equation is correct. Or if you're in kindergarten, it's the same thing as a number sentence. An equation is just any set of operators with an equal sign and another number on the right side. So let's see if this works. Let's see what KUBO says about this equation. So place KUBO on the first number. Notice KUBO's eyes light up yellow. He's beeping every time he reads a tile. And if it's correct, KUBO should do a little spin and the eyes light up blue. And then when KUBO's done, the eyes go back to that royal blue color that they were in the beginning. Now what if our equation is incorrect? Let's just switch these 2 numbers. And see what happens. Now we have an equation that we know is incorrect. Let's see what KUBO does. So place KUBO on that first number in the equation. The eyes light up yellow. Now KUBO's eyes light up red and KUBO shakes its head left and right. So that's what happens when your equation is incorrect. So this is how you can practice math with your students, and KUBO will let them know if it's correct or incorrect. So what I recommend is setting up a series of equations without the answer. Write it on the board or put it on an overhead projector, and then let the students put the answer tile in. And then they can test their math using KUBO. And that's about it. Have fun coding with KUBO.